Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Popcaan was trending last night after releasing his highly anticipated Yai Change fixtape. The 19-track project boasts a star-studded list of featured artists like Canadian rapper Drake and French Montana, Party Next Door, Jada Kingdom, Massacre, among others. Popcaan celebrated the fixtape last night by hosting a listening party. During the celebrations, he went live on Instagram with Drake, who toasted to the new project.
Yo, brother, congratulations. That tape there, bud. Oh, baddest. That tape there, bud. They can't stop you, brother. Twice drink. Oh, twice.
This marks Popcaan's second project since being signed to OVO Sound. Yai Change fixtape follows his 2019 project, Vanquished. The curtains came down on Jamaica's 58th independence celebration last night with a virtual street dance. The event was held live on RETV, Fame 95 FM and Hits 92 FM, and saw performances from the Energy God, Shizzle, Ja Vinci, Peter Metro, Admiral Bailey, among others.
Jump around, cause you know you can't whine. Run up and down, cause you know you can't whine. Everybody know me as a Mike MC. MC Mike know me, body every.
The Minister of Entertainment and Culture, Olivia Bamsey Grange, shared details on the planning of this year's event.
So, between the broadcast media and online platforms, we took our shows to the world. So we had to be more, even that much more creative in order to create the excitement and the feeling that usually goes with the independence celebrations. So first we had the spirit of independence, which should have a visual impact, where we decorate in our national colors. You can decorate your home, you fly the flag, you decorate your business place, and you create that vibe with the black, green, and gold.
The Energy God was honored to be part of the celebration.
It's our 58th anniversary, and for me to be a part of it one of the years, it couldn't be better. And you know, we gotta just say, big up Mrs. Grange. She did a good job by putting the show together. It was crazy, like the blend with, you know, the legend them, and you know, me, myself, and Ja Vinci. So it was crazy, trust me.
This year's independence celebrations were held virtually without an audience due to the COVID-19 restrictions. The excitement continues tomorrow, though, with Fame Frequency Party Series. The event is held under the theme Tropical Paradise and will feature DJs Arif Cooper, Kevin, Tropical, and Delhi. The Tropical Frequency will be aired live on RETV and Fame 95. You can also watch it on onespotmedia.com and on RETV's YouTube page. That's it for the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.